This is how to create multiple YouTube channels under one Google account, that is one Gmail account. The first step is to launch your web browser. As a browser opens, visit studio.youtube.com and log in. Once you log in successfully, you will find yourself on one of your YouTube channels, okay? Just like this one. Then the next step is to take your cursor to this place and click on settings. On this settings page, you'll be on the general tab. Click on channel. Then under this channel, click on advanced settings. Now, once you get to this advanced settings, the next step is to scroll down. Once you get to the last part of these advanced settings, click on Manage YouTube Account. Alright, you'll be taken to a page showing you your email address linked to that account and your existing channel. So here we want to create a new channel. Click on Create a New Channel. Then you can add your profile picture right now or later. Okay, but here, give it a name. Look at my name, the name of my channel here, Animal Kid of Visuals. Anytime you assign a name, the handle will be added. Okay, but maybe with mixtures of letters and numbers. So it's left for you to, edit this section and give it a name that you know that people can easily remember, a handle that people can easily remember. Later, you can add your profile. Here, we don't have that time. So the next step is to click on Create Channel. And with this, a new channel is created and I'm taken to YouTube automatically. So I can start creating my video from here, but that will be done later. Okay.